teacher, Yuri teacher, Yuri teacher time! Hello boys and girls, your teacher is back. I'm back because it's Friday and we went over all the long I sounds words and long A sounds words as well, right? So everybody, remember the long A sounds with the magic E is A, and the long I sounds like A with the magic E, I, right? Long I sounds like I, not A. I with the magic E, right? So let's go over all the words together with Yuri teacher, and your friends are going to give you the dictation part of your homework number 1 through 6, okay? So write all your words and bring it to your teacher on Monday. Guys, market day is coming, so finish all your homework so you can get more extra points, all right? All right, I'll be right back.
Alright guys, let's go over all the short A sounds words and the long A sounds words together. So short A sounds like and then the long I sounds like A with the magic E, right? So let's look at it together. This is k, but the long vowel A sounds with the magic E is cape, cape. Tap. With the magic E is tape, tape. Man, main, main. Can, can. With the magic E is cane, cane, cane. Alright guys, let's go over all the long A sounds words with the magic E. A words, okay? Face, face, face. Lake, lake. Race, race. Bake, bake. Cake, cake. Lace, lace. Game, game. Wave, wave. Ape, ape. Jane, Jane. Tape, tape. Cape, cape. Cane, cane. Cave, cave. Save, save. Main, main. Name, name. Yuri teacher. Okay guys, let's go over the short I sounds words this time. This is short I sounds like E, right? E. And then the long I sounds with the magic E is I, right? I sounds. So let's go over all the words together to make it easy. Over here is hid, hid. Goes with the long I sounds with the magic E is hide, 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 hide. Pin, in, pin. With the magic E is pine, pine. Kite, 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 kite. Bit, bit. bite, bite. Alright guys, let's go over all the long I sounds with the magic E. I sound. I, not E, 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 E. No, no, no. I sounds. Okay, here we go. I'd, side, side, hide. 9, vine, bike, like, hike, dive, ride, sight, pine, rice, hive, dice, bite, ice, kite, kite, 5, 5.
1 and 0. Come here, my friend. Okay, Ethan, what is lace?
Lace.
Lace. Lace.
Lace.
What is lace in Korean? What is lace in Korean? Look at this. What is lace in Korean? Ethan. Ethan, look at my finger. Yes. No, that's shoes. Ethan, these are the lace. Or you can call these are the lace, okay? Say lace.
Lace.
Lace. Number 1 is
나도.
Who should we call from your class?
나도.
William or who do you want to call? From your class, Zoe or Jenny or Charlie? Who do you want to call? No, Ethan, hurry up. Zoe. Hello everyone. Okay, Zoe is going to give you number 2. Okay, so number 2 is cake. Oh, cake. Cake. Zoe, what's your favorite cake? Do you like chocolate cake or strawberry cake or do you like mocha cake? In Korea, there's mocha cake and cheesecake. What's your favorite cake? Chocolate cake? Yes, your teacher loves chocolate. I love cheesecake too. Anyways, so number 2 is cake. Cake. Speak louder, please. Cake like this. Cake. Thank you. All right. So thank you, Zoe. I'm gonna tell Jennifer to come up. Jennifer, call Jennifer. Say hello, everyone. Hi, you like a little baby. Right. So number 3 is everybody tape. Oh, tape. Number 3 is tape. Tape. Very good. So easy for you, Jennifer. What are you doing? Do you love your teacher? Yes. Right, so who should we call next now for number 4? Julia, William, Charlie, Jenny, or Josh? Who do you want to call? Who do you want me to call? Julia, go tell Julia to come, okay? Julia, this way. Show every... Oh, I didn't eat this mask. Take out your mask so everybody can see your beautiful face. All right, so Julia, let me see. Julia, how does this sound? This is dive. Number 4 is dive. Dive. Very good. High five. All right, so who do you want to call your friend? William. Oh, okay, go tell William to come out. Oh, excuse me, school over a little bit. All right, so William, are you ready? Yes?
Yes, I
Okay, so hello everyone. Okay, so William's going to give us number 5. Okay, number 5 is bite. Bite. Very bite. Bite. What is bite in Korean? Hey. Oh, yes, bite. What is bite in Korean? Like this. Bite. 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 Very good, William. Tell James to come on. Thank you. James. Little James, so cute. James, how are you today? Happy. Your teacher say if you're very, very happy, you have to say, your teacher, I'm over the moon. Remember? Yes. How are you today?
I'm happy. I'm
Over the moon.
I'm
Okay, so little James is gonna give us number 6. Okay, number 6 is 5.
5.
5. 5.
5.
5. Very good. You have to write on your paper all number 1 through 6. Okay, James? Okay, say bye bye, mommy and daddy.
Bye, mommy and daddy.
Do you love your mommy and daddy? Who do you love more, daddy or mommy? Mommy?
Daddy.
Okay. Your mommy's gonna be very sad. Her mommy's gonna be like, James, you love your daddy more than I do. What if she cries? James loves daddy more. What if she cries? Is it okay? No, right? You love your mommy and daddy too? Oh, say, I love you, mommy and daddy.
I love you, mommy and daddy.
Okay, let's go. Thank you.
All right, you guys did an excellent work. So you have to write number 1 through 6. You listen, write. Listen, write. All right. All right, so guys, have a great weekend with your mommy and daddy. And we are going to start learning, I think, long O sounds together from next week, okay? So have a great, safe weekend, and I'll see you guys next week, all right? James, bring your homework. Today is Thursday. I still don't have your homework, James. All right, so have a great, safe weekend, guys. Bye-bye.